Hey everyone. In this video, I'll show you why your captions disappear behind your B-roll clips in Descript and exactly how to fix it. The problem happens because of layer order. In Descript, your main video clip and your B-roll clips are on separate layers. Captions attach to the main video layer. When you add B-roll on top, it covers the captions. To fix this, click on your B-roll clip in the timeline to select it. Look for the position controls or drag the clip layer down in the layer stack. You want your captions to be on the topmost layer. Another quick fix is to lower the opacity of your B-roll clip. Select the B-roll clip, look for the opacity setting, and reduce it to around 70%. Your captions will show through. You can also resize your B-roll. Select the B-roll clip and drag its corners to make it smaller. Position it to one side of the screen. This leaves space for your captions to be visible. The best practice is to add your captions after you've finished all your B-roll editing. Go to Captions, generate them, and then position them at the bottom of the screen where your B-roll doesn't cover. And that's it. Captions go behind B-roll because of layer order. Fix it by moving B-roll layers down, lowering opacity, resizing clips, or adding captions as your final step. If this solved your overlay problem, please like and subscribe. See you next time.